In this video, we will be demonstrating how to stop and repair a transformer oil leak. For this repair, we will need Belzona 9611, Belzona 1212, Belzona 9341, and a few hand and mechanical tools. With Belzona cold applied materials, the repair is easy and does not require specialist tools. First, wipe off excess leaking material and roughen the surface by deeply scoring or grinding. To stop the leak, we use Belzona 9611, a rapid curing putty designed for sealing low-pressure live leaks. Measure and cut off the required amount of Belzona 9611 and knead it in gloved hands until a uniform gray color is achieved. Belzona 9611 is used in combination with Belzona metal systems to create permanent repairs. Using a Belzona applicator, press the mixed material into the damaged area and apply pressure until the product has hardened. After approximately 1 hour, remove the applicator. Using a mechanical grinder, abrade the hardened material and the substrate. Remove all the contaminants and residue with a cleaner degreaser and delimit the area with a masking tape. Measure equal amounts of Belzona 1212 base and solidifier. Thoroughly in a figure-8 motion, mix together the two components until the material turns into a slate gray uniform color. Take a pre-cut piece of Belzona 9341 reinforcement tape and wet it out with the mixed material. Then, apply Belzona 1212 onto the substrate using a short bristled brush, working the material well into the surface. Immediately embed the wetted out reinforcement tape into the applied material and encapsulate it with another layer of Belzona 1212. Remove the masking tape. The application is now complete.